Hello, I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive, and today's video is all about some of my best tips to either save you time, make you money, or just make your life easier. So stay tuned for that. Hello and welcome to How To Automotive. Today I got a quick tip for you guys. Is when you run across a radiator that's broken the neck off like this one has, there's more than just being a bad radiator. Most likely what caused that is a bad motor mount. And if the motor mount is bad, what happens is it lifts up when you torque on the engine, when you hit the throttle, and that pulls on the hoses and breaks off the radiator neck. So don't just repair the radiator, look for the motor mount being broken as well and repair that. That way you won't have this repeat problem. Today on How To Automotive, I got an oil leak repair tip. So my tip for you guys is when you're doing oil leak repairs, not only repair the oil leak, but look around to what the oil is leaking onto. So in this case, the oil was leaking onto this radiator hose here. And on this style of quick connect radiator hose, and the inside of it is a rubber O-ring. And that oil will get in there and cause that O-ring to swell. So it may not be leaking now, but when you pull it off and disturb it, when you go to put it back on, you're more likely going to have a coolant leak after you're done. So when it comes to these type of repairs, pay close attention to what the oil is leaking on and consider replacing that as well. I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive. Today I got a tip for you. When you run across a fastener such as this one here, which you need to take off, and you're usually would use like an impact and rip it off, but your gut instinct tells you that this is most likely going to strip or break. So my tip for you guys is when you have that gut instinct is to listen to it and take it off by hand. Use a hand ratchet to go ahead and crack that free. If you use that impact gun, you're for sure going to break it off, but if you use it by hand, you got a chance of it coming off without breaking. So if you find these videos helpful, be sure to subscribe and click the bell notification. That way you're notified as soon as I upload a new video. I'm Brian Essick from How To Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.